Welcome back, guys.
Today we're playing a super fun game. It's called Sangria.
Sangria. You mean Sagrada, Nora.
Well, I'm just putting out into the universe what I want to get back.
Wouldn't we all? Well, yeah, this game is called Sagrada. For those of you who don't know, the Sagrada Familia is a cathedral in Spain that's really known for its displays of stained glass, which is what this game focuses around.
Yeah, the artistry of this game is really pretty. They have these really cool game boards that you play on. And in this game, it is a dice drafting game in which you are building your own beautiful stained glass pattern here.
And the game comes with these fun dice.
Yeah.
Multicolored dice. Yeah, kind of hard to show, but there's
Hold 'em
red, yellow, green, all of them that help make nice, pretty stained glass windows.
Yeah, so each board can be customized. So each time you play it is a little bit different. So I'll put in this board here. So you have to get yellow in these. You have to get purple here, dice with a 1, and all these different values here. So it's pretty fun to play. There are some fun different challenges that you have. There's cards that you can pick up to multiply your points with different
Different like color combos on the board.
So if you have diagonals here, you get more points. You have private objectives, so you may want to get more yellow cards. Your points multiply that way. And there's different perks that you can buy.
And they call them tool cards, and you buy them in order to get like a special one-time ability for that turn.
Yeah, so it's a pretty quick game. It only takes about 30 to 45 minutes. There's 10 rounds total. And you can play with 3 to 4 people with the original game, but we also have the expansion. Yeah, so we're lucky enough to have the expansion so you can play with 5 to 6 people additionally. So it's a super fun game. You can get all creative with your stained glass design.
And one of those that's just like very visually appealing.
Yeah, it's really a beautiful game.
You just have to appreciate all the good artwork that went into this. So, but yeah, it's a fun game. We will have it. So if you are in the library and want to try out Sagrada this holiday season,
or Sangria,
that too. Yeah, if you want to try out Sagrada, feel free to stop in and check it out.
Thank you for watching our video. We will be linking a complete tutorial to how to play the game below. And also thank you to the Friends of the Mount Horror Public Library for purchasing these games for us.
Yeah, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to see more of our videos in the coming weeks, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thanks again, guys, for joining us, and we'll be back again next week.